Spruce up your space with XXXFLOWER's Retro 3-Bulb Terrarium. A stylish way to grow your greenery. Are you stuck with the same old dull plants in generic pots? Time to level up your indoor garden game. If your home or office could use some greenery, but you don't know where to start, the XXXFLOWER 3-Bulb Terrarium is your answer. This stunning, retro-inspired wooden stand paired with crystal-clear borosilicate glass vases brings style and sophistication to any tabletop. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or just looking for a fun way to display your foliage, this sleek and functional design will definitely turn heads. It's the perfect solution to elevate your space without the hassle. What sets the XXXFLOWER Terrarium apart from ordinary plant stands? First, its perfect blend of natural wood and heat-resistant glass makes it a timeless statement piece. Designed for maximum stability, this sturdy wooden stand can hold up to 3 bulb glass vases, perfect for growing your favorite hydroponic plants, herbs, or even flowers. Unlike other terrariums, this setup gives you full visibility of your plant's growth. Plus, the metal swivel holder makes it a breeze to change water and position the vases without worrying about spills. A simple yet elegant addition to any decor. Looking for a gift that'll make any plant lover's heart skip a beat? The XXXFLOWER Terrarium is the perfect gift for Mother's Day, birthdays, holidays, or wedding celebrations. It's more than just a decorative item, this unique terrarium also doubles as a functional plant propagation station. Watch your plants grow in real time, and make your friends and family marvel at your green thumb. With its retro, vintage charm, this tabletop accessory is ideal for those who love to grow, cultivate, or simply admire plants. Whether for a home office, living room, or kitchen, this beauty fits anywhere. Say goodbye to flimsy plant stands and complicated setups. The XXXFLOWER Terrarium is designed with durability in mind. The wooden base is lightweight yet strong enough to hold the vases and ensure your plants grow safely. The thick borosilicate glass is scratch-resistant, ensuring that you can observe your plants clearly without worrying about wear and tear. It's designed for easy assembly, you'll be up and running in minutes, ready to nurture your plants. This terrarium makes it simple to start your own hydroponic garden with little effort or maintenance. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. Not only is the XXXFLOWER Terrarium stylish and durable, but it also saves you money by allowing you to propagate your plants at home. Grow your own herbs, pothos, or even flowers without needing to purchase new plants every few months. Plus, with the option to add colored water, stones, or tiny fish, this plant station transforms into a personalized artistic decor piece. Affordable yet luxurious, this terrarium is an investment in both your home aesthetics and your plant-growing future. Give your plants the best environment, and enjoy beautiful greenery with a vintage flair.